What if I told you that you can improve the quality of your life and it wouldn't take much?
But if you close your eyes,
a lot of the time we think that adventure and exploration needs time, money, and planning. So I've made it my mission to show you that you can make an ordinary day memorable just by trying something new or coming up with your own creative adventures. Just find yourself a couple of friends and stay tuned. Whether it's trying new foods, traveling on a budget, coming up with silly shenanigans, or being impulsive and spontaneous, that's what I'm all about. It doesn't take much to adventure or explore. Check out my channel, stay tuned, and I'll show you how.